Can you guess the vegetable? Let's play. Wow!
It's orange and helps your eyes. What is it? It's carrot.
It's green and looks like a tree. It's broccoli. Red and juicy. It's tomato. Long and green. It's cucumber. Purple and shiny. It's brinjal. Round and makes you cry, Layu. It's onion. White and strong smell. It's garlic. Leafy and super healthy. It's spinach.